Hi YouTube, this is Ebony Butterfly and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to DIY your own cocoa bar. I am so excited because every year I DIY my own cocoa bar. You can buy pre-made cocoa bars that have like the cocoa, the marshmallows and all that good stuff. But doing it yourself and having your own items in there, things that your family actually loves, it's gonna be amazing, guys. I'm telling you, it is so much fun. We love our cocoa bars so much. Everybody runs to the cocoa station when they're here in my house. That's the first thing that they do. It's like a tradition. My sister, my parents, everybody loves the cocoa station. They're like, can I get some of this? Can I get some of that? Can I get some of this? Can I get some of that? And the cups are just overflowing with stuff. So you're gonna see my treats, my snacks, and everything that I did myself. I didn't do any really hard projects. I don't believe that a cocoa bar should be a hard project, but I did use a lot of my Rae items in there, and I did use stuff that you can still find online at Amazon, which I'll link below, and online and also at Home Goods, because I did find some clear containers at Home Goods and I seen some just yesterday. So you can, that stuff can still be purchased and you can use that stuff over and over again, because I do believe in buying things not just targeted for Christmas, but that you can use throughout the seasons. So thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and here's my video. Okay guys, the first thing I do for this cocoa station is to move my Keurig and clean it and get everything nice and clean. I use Mrs. Meyer's cleaner to clean off my long tray that I got from Hobby Lobby. I love that tray. And I also got the tier tray from Home Goods. So once I got that clean, I added in the cake plate, which is gonna also have stuff that I'm gonna use for the cocoa station. I really love these jars. I found these at Home Goods for $3.99 for the smaller sizes and $4.99 for the larger sizes. I found these online at Amazon and I will link that below. I bought them as a set. Next, we're going to put the wafers into the jars. And I put some marshmallows, some strawberry marshmallows that I got from Home Goods into the jars as well. Yummy. These are Rolos I got from Aldi's. And I got candy canes from Dollar Tree because they're small. And I got the Kisses from Aldi's as well. So I just used the green and red ones out of the Kisses and the Rolos just to kind of make it flow a little better. And this is the cocoa I got. I got this cocoa from Home Goods. It's the Starbucks double chocolate cocoa, so I wanted to get the best cocoa, so I have several cans of those. Right now you're seeing the spoon. It's a Rae set. I'm actually adding my chocolate spoons that I got from Home Goods in there, and I'm also using the fork container, but I'm going to turn it around and I'm putting the candy cane straws that I got from Home Goods in there. Next, I found these pretzels, chocolate covered pretzels, and I'm putting them in the marshmallow canister, you know, just so the kids can grab them. And these cute candy cane sprinkles I got at Home Goods. I told y'all Home Goods has the best stuff. These are just regular old marshmallows, and I got these from the grocery store. I got these from Walmart. And this is the scoop that you can get the marshmallows with. And I got that from Dollar Tree, the little scoop, but the scoop is in a Rae container. As I showed you earlier, these little containers, I got these from Amazon, and that has chocolate covered pretzels in it. And the other one, I got gingerbread cookies from Aldi's, which are thebomb.com. You have to go try them. They are super good. Now I'm gonna add my red Rae cocoa mug to my Keurig, which I think is so cute. I found these little marshmallow cup toppers at Target, and I thought they were super cute, and I bought a bunch of them for my kids, but I had nowhere to put them, so I used this old Rae recipe box that I had, so I put it in there, and I found these rub-on stickers from Target. Here they go. And I took one that said marshmallows and put it on the top of that, and I put the marshmallow toppers in there, which I thought that was cute. I really like the way my cocoa station is coming together. I love DIYs, and I love the fact that I tried to make it as simple as possible, buying these containers and just opening up packages of candies and marshmallows and putting them in the containers. It's that simple, guys. If you look at this tower, this is an idea that I got at Kirkland's. They have coffee mugs set up in a tower like this, and I decided to do it with my Ray Dunn mugs, and I really like the way it turned out. So each year I just add new things, take away things from my cocoa station, and my kids just love it. My family as a whole just love it, and I hope that you enjoyed it, and I hope it gave you some ideas of what you can do for your cocoa station. So leave in the comments below any questions you may have where I may have gotten items, or what you actually use in your cocoa station. I would really love to hear the items that you add to your station. So thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe and let me know what you think about my station.